Big Mike, 469 Cycle Shop. Have you ever wanted to put speaker lids in your bike? Street Glide, Electric Glide, Road Glide, even a Road King. Well, if you've ever wanted to add speakers to the top of your bags, the Rockford kit is kind of the best bang for the buck, and I'll tell you why. The Rockford kit comes with everything. One of the cool things about the Rockford kit, and I'm going to go fast because I don't want to bore you with all the details, but you actually get your top plate and your bottom plate. So when you cut your bags, your bottom plate goes in with your top plate on top, which gives it a factory clean look. The other thing cool is it comes with a complete wiring harness. So when you wire your speakers, it wires them all the way to the front, comes with your inputs, and it also comes with even the zip ties. I mean, it comes with everything. But the cool thing is, you also get your templates on how to do the cutouts, and then you also get a set of Rockford Power speakers with covers. So you also get your speakers. So what's cool about this kit is you literally in one day can have your speakers in the back of your motorcycle hooked up and working in the same day without having to paint the bike. I get a lot of guys who are like, well, what if I want to just do different speakers? It's worth it to buy the kit just to get the kit, let alone the speakers. And then if you have a Road King, you can put these in the Road King bags and then add an amp and a Bluetooth, and now you have a stereo on your Road King. So this kit is hard to beat, comes with everything, and I'm going to have a little video following this to tell you how to put them in.